So she says, screw it, we're going for a big load. She's like, I don't care. If we have to turn it off, we turn it off. And then figure a way to drain the water out.
No, it's still a small load.
It's still a small load, she says. So what we're doing is we're putting our sheets in. We wash them every Friday, whether they need it or not. And they do need it. Most people don't even wash their sheets. I mean, college boys don't wash them all year round. All right, we got it on. Here we go. Ow!
Look, it started right away.
Oh.
It never does that.
Oh my God.
And that's why I don't use until I use up these glass cups.
All right, here we go. We're gonna find out if that holds water. Oh, we're using this jar. Check it out. Is that how much you put in?
Yeah,
All right, this is how you wash your
sheets.
sheets. And she gets it like wet there, and then just smushes it in. And this is our bottle that we got that we put our detergent in. The detergent comes in like something like this, but we put it in these things. And it's see-through. Yeah.
No, this is the excess.
Yeah, that's the excess. Well, she almost dropped it. Do not drop that in there and break the glass everywhere. All right, can I shut the lid?
Yeah, I want to put bleach in. Can you reach?
The bleach?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I never do it.
Why? I can't reach it. I got to get a step stool. I get it. Here, look on. So we got a step thing because we got junk.
You're going to hurt yourself.
Oh God. Old men on roller skates. There's not a lot of bleach in here. All right, pour it. Oh, we pour it there?
I'll use all this.
Oh. Well, is that a special reservoir?
Yes.
And so that goes somewhere and then squirts in there?
Yes.
Oh. We may need a new washer. Look at that mess. We just keep fixing it. Fix the button, fix this, fix the drum. All right, we're going to put some of this stuff in. I don't even know what that is.
Where is it?
It's in there.
This got all melted in the washing machine.
Oh, shoot. Well, you dropped in there by accident? You want me to scoop it out? I probably can get a better scoop on it. All right, so she just dumped it in there. You can see it. This is how you wash your clothes. Get your sheets nice and clean. It's a process. A lot of steps. Watch your fingers. All right, so cross your fingers. We don't got no water coming out of it. Oh my God. We'll find out in a minute, I guess. So we're going for the heavy. We got all the settings. Color's cold. And we're from medium almost to large. I don't know why she put it in heavy, but I guess, you know, that's how she wants to do it. And yeah, we'll just see how she does. Just for your edification, this machine takes anywhere from 60 to 90 minutes when you have it on extra large or super and super heavy or extra heavy. So if you want a shorter cycle, you got to do smaller loads, apparently, is from what I understand. All right, if you want to know where it's at in the cycle, if you look up here, you'll see there's a green light that's telling us it's in the wash. If it was filling, it would be at green here. Soaking there. Wash, then it goes to rinse, and then the spin. So if you don't know what it's doing, you can look right there and you'll see. That's pretty much it right there. Now it's doing a different thing. It's like really churning it up to try to get all the stuff out of it. I think we're getting ready to evacuate. It's making some weird noises. Here. There we go. So far, so good. I don't see any water down there. This is making me extremely happy. We do not have any leakage. Let's get a little closer. Seems to be working. All right. Success. Yay. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff that I've never done before, but I'm going to do it anyway, and so can you. Peace out.